How's it going, everybody? I'm out here at the lower Captain Jack's trailhead and I'm checking out the GPX Moto FSE450R. Just rode it from Monument, Colorado all the way down to Captain Jack's, putting in some break-in miles, so we're up to 43. Gonna hit Jack's and yeah, go from there. Got the highway dirt bike guards on this bike. Gonna flip those in. See, that's what's good. You know, people can rent and flip those in, so they don't have to worry about replacing a $30–40 mirror, probably like $40 mirror. And I still have to adjust the rear brake. I think more do that at home. Seems to be running good. Fuel, I think it was at the top. It's down to here now. So I don't know. Should have enough for what I'll do here, and then home I'll check it again when I get to the bottom here and decide. It should make it all the way back to my place, no problems, which is roughly 23 miles here. Well, no, it's actually 26 miles here, and so I figured 26 miles back. So that's pretty good mileage. 2.5 gallon tank. Oh, that's loose. It probably just vibrated, or I didn't have it. There we go. Okay, let's continue. We'll just have to share the trail. You're good. You're good. You're good. There we go, that's first. Awesome. Just me. I haven't seen anyone in forever. Where we ride in Penrose, we don't have cyclists. This oil is just too thick, too notchy, but it's a break-in oil, I think, more than anything. Trust me. I think he said one more. Bombing down. But I'm not gonna wait here all day. He was hauling though, he was cooking, man. It's like, well, it's a two-way multi-use trail. I mean, I could be a mountain biker slowly pedaling up that too. Whoa, what the heck is that? Maybe a tree was down, so people were going around. I'm not sure what's up with that. This is the scary spot. cruise through here too quick, because in a short distance I've already seen quite a few people. I wouldn't mind somebody running the bike as long as they check off-road use. I have an OHV Colorado sticker on here, and they turn around and you know, they pay that 25 off-road use fee. I think that's what I'm charging for the time being, 25 extra bucks. The reason I'm doing that is because this stuff, it does wear out your bike a little bit more, you know, more likely to drop it too. And I don't mind you coming to ride Jax. Jax isn't an extreme trail, so I think you'd be good here for most people. Pipeline's kind of extreme in Mount Rosa. You're probably going to drop the bike, and it's going to be case by case on damages, right? We'll see what it is. If it's just a few stickers, I don't know, it might be like $5-10 bucks or something, you know. We'll have to see, you know. I want to give people a good experience without nickel and diming them, but I also, you know, got to keep the bike up. Okay, it looks like it's good to here. So 667 from high drive. Let's see. I'm not running really low PSI in my rear tire like I'm used to, being that these have tubes, this bike, this GPX, and the other GPX. So running 15 front, 15 rear. That's what my Honda XR650R in the owner's manual would recommend with the tubes. I find that that's a pretty good compromise without going full-blown, you know, 20, 25 for street or something. I mean, so I rode down here. I have no problems. It depends on your tires. Use thicker sidewall tires. Then, you know, that's also going to keep it pretty stiff. So, I think the Tusk Adventure tire front and the Trackmaster 2 rear are fairly stiff sidewalls. Not as stiff as like a Sedona. Man, that thing is really stiff. Hard to get on and hard to get off. Dang, this is pretty good. I love it. Doing pretty good. Actually opened further than I would have thought. Bring the saw, either drag that off or cut it. I don't know if it needs cut or dragged. Man, it's just nice to switch back to Jax versus Penrose. Penrose is fun. You get to play with rocks. you get good at the rocks, but it's time to move back. So this 450R has like 2 cooling fans, one on the left, one on the right. First snow sighted. Right there. We're getting close to the spot. The gnarly uphill. My arm's asleep. I haven't wore the Arsenal vest and a jacket in a long time. Woo! Wake it up. So around this corner is where the snow usually starts. There's a little, oh, here we go. Whoa. And then bring the saw